Hello class 5. So today we will do the back exercises of chapter 1. Okay. We have already completed the explanation of the chapter and now we will do the back exercises. So before that day also, in the previous video also, I have told you to take a pencil and eraser and sit with your book. Clear? I think you all are ready. Let us start. So we'll do the back exercise. See page number 2. Open your book at page number 2. And the first question is A. Rearrange the words given below to form meaningful sentences. Begin with capital letters and end with suitable punctuation marks. Okay. Now the questions are given 1 to 10 sentences are given which are not in a correct order. Okay, they are not arranged. You have to arrange them properly and you have to follow the rules of writing a sentence. That is, you have to begin a sentence always with a capital letter and end the sentence with a suitable punctuation mark. Okay, are you ready? See, space is also given here in the book itself. So let us start. I will explain one by one. You will write. See, number 1, the shine, sun, sky, the in. So it's a group of words not arranged in a order, isn't it? Now you have to rearrange it to make a sentence so that it will convey a sense. This is what we have learned in the chapter, isn't it? So get set ready. Number 1, the shine, sun, sky, the in. Is the sentence in proper order? Are you getting a meaning? Obviously not. So let us write down. First one will be the sun shines in the sky. The sun shines in the sky. Done. Next one. Home go now. Same here, not in an order, proper order. So the correct one will be go home now. Go home now. Next one, third one. Third one is ice cream and eating is girl A. Ice cream and eating is girl A. So it is also not in a proper order. So you have to write it properly, like the answer will be a girl is eating an ice cream. A girl is eating an ice cream. Done. Next, number 4. Number 4's answer will be the earth moves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun. Here it's given the sun round the moves the. So it's not conveying a meaning. So the correct answer will be the earth moves round the sun. Then number 5, lights festival is the Diwali of. Again, no sense of the sentence from the groups of what? So what will be the answer? Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. Done. Next. Birds build trees nest in there. Birds build trees nests in there. So what will be the correct one? Birds build their nest in trees. Birds build their nest in trees. Done. Next one. Glass the broke who. And children, see, in all the sentences you have given full stop, punctuation mark. Go on giving proper suitable punctuation mark. So the sentences that we have discussed till now, everywhere all the sentences will end with a full stop. Clear? Now number 7, glass the broke who. Now this will be a interrogative sentence, and I hope you know the which punctuation mark we are supposed to use here. That is sign of interrogation, question mark. Now, who broke the glass? Who broke the glass, question mark. Next one is number 8, house your is where. So it's also not in a proper order. So the answer will be, where is your house, question mark. Next one, number 9, everyday mother my reads Gita the. No sense, no punctuation mark. So you have to give it. First you arrange the sentence. So my mother reads the Gita every day. My mother reads the Gita every day. Then full stop. Number 10, number 10, water drank I from a glass. Again it is not in a proper order. So what will be the proper sentence, correct sentence? The correct sentence will be, I drank water from a glass. I drank water from a glass. Okay, fine. You have done this one now. So in the next video we will do number B. Okay, that is rewrite the sentence, these sentences using the correct punctuation marks and capital letters. In the next video we will do this. And children, please write it down properly in the book itself. Okay, afterward I will do the correction. Thank you.